Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to the park with my niece. We're going to the plaza now because she's going to treat me, I don't know what, maybe food, char. We are just the same age, by the way. It's already 6 p.m. here. She's going to treat me because she passed her what do you call this, entrance exam for college, and yeah, celebrating small wins. And yeah, you know guys, that's her guys. This is the market when so how was the exam? It's hard. It's hard.
No, it's hard. Hard this one.
But you did well, right?
Study well.
Yeah, you study well. That's it. That's the key to success. That's the key to pass the exam. You just study and believe yourself.
Yes.
There's already a feria here. I don't know what's the English of feria. I think it's fair, but yeah, it's Festas New Year here. Just going to cash out first the money. So she's just going to treat me a fries. You don't want the Jollibee?
Yes.
You don't want? Yeah, expensive man daw. Let's just buy a chinelas first. They already stopped the escalator because they're going to close the store.
You look good.
Yes. Pango na? Okay. Ano?
Should I buy what I want? Huh? Should I buy what I want?
Oh, yes.
Sure, huh? Okay.
Yeah. Mana?
Wait, let me think first.
Ay. Nga ako na sa pili.
Lang. I don't like I like the style, but I don't like the color.
Nice man. Kana para mo taas ka.
When I wear it, it's like I'm riding a yacht.
Na yung munting uy.
Sa'yo na lang ay.
Mag-voice record ka. Okay naman na. Kananan.
This one,
It's 119. Oh, let's
okay?
okay. That's too big for you, oy.
Ako parang chili.
No? there's already a balot vendor. But I don't eat balot kasi. Oh, there's also a corn vendor. I'm so happy.
Why?
Wala, because you're going to treat me.
Ito.
We're in the plaza na, guys. I already smell the French fries. Are you ready?
Yes.
Because I am. Nice lights, guys.
Ay, koan. Try.
This is the plaza at night. Oh, we're really near na. Am I the one to going to order? Huh?
Ikaw.
Okay. French fries ako with drinks. Doha. There's some athlete. They're preparing for volleyball. Wow. It's not crowdy. My niece is over there, the defrost, waiting for our order. So this is the plaza. So yeah, Shine Daan Bantayan. Thank you so much for the it's not really crowded, just some couple out there dating. Thank you so much for the free French fries. I really appreciate it.
Welcome.
Congrats, by the way, congrats for passing your entrance exam.
Thank you so much.
And there's the ayun lang. No available seat. Huh? There? Oh, let's go.
Mas dami pa nino kasi sa Jollibee ba?
Yeah.
Kaning nila ina di ba?
It's more tasty than the Jollibee, right? She's going to take a picture first. Faster.
Wait na, lag.
Log.
Ika lang. Wait lang.
Dugayan, wala na eh. Tara ay, dire tabi.
Apil ka di maye. Anong may ngon? Apil ka di maye. Saka third wheel.
We adjust the one in a bicycle.
Ito ko.
Ha? you should throw your trash properly. It's true. Lig-on ang relasyon kung si Kristo ang pundasyon. Yes, it's true, guys. Our relationship is strong when Christ is the foundation. So, if Christ is the center of your relationship, it's more likely to last and be filled with love, peace, and understanding. So, yeah, that's the flavor. Wow. So, by the way, guys, sorry for not posting this past few days. There's no happenings in my life, so I don't know what to post. So, I'm just stuck in our house, like, no nothing. So, anyway, thank you for supporting me and always watching my video, even though it's like it's kind of boring. And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe.
Okay na?
Like and subscribe.
Nahinay ito dito. Lisod kayo ito. Gunting-gunting.